Welcome to Prisma Deeds. This is the interface for generating verifiable credentials. These credentials might be actions or achievements that are done during an event, and they will be on-chain, they will be verifiable, and someone can issue them for a team member or another person. So if we go to my credentials, it will prompt you to connect your wallet. We support Typhoon, Eternal, and many other Cardano wallets. These are the ones detected by the browser. Let's connect. And here are the deeds I already issued. If we check a few of them, this was for work done, how many hours, the evidence URL, and the transaction in the Cardano scan, the IPFS, saving the same metadata, just like when creating a decentralized ID. And it's tied to a decentralized ID, who is the issuer, and the holder is for whom we are creating this verifiable credential. Let's go to issuing someone. Let's, for the sake of the example, use ourselves. So we're gonna issue for the project ID 10 a code contribution. We work 15 hours. By default, they are all hidden and only saved in the IPFS, but you can select which ones you want to be disclosable. Prisma, work on the backend of Prisma Deeds. Evidence URL. For the sake of the example, issue credential. It will prompt you then to sign for the IPFS pinning, and then to submit the transaction to Cardano. The same thing, we sign. Credential issued, this is the transaction hash, and if we go back to our credentials, we're gonna see that the contribution is here. Since this is the network in pre-production, it takes a little bit to verify contributions, but they are done. If we go to details again, we can see all the information that we saved is correct. We can also share it. And here is the disclosure and the security of the information. Maybe you don't want to say for whom you work for, or some information that is really sensitive, and you can hide them and generate the share URL. This share URL can be pasted, and it will lead you to the same app, but it will verify that the credential is real. The credential format, the signature. The credential status is not found on chain because it's still pending. Once it's confirmed, it will show as correct. If we go to our credentials and go for one that is already validated, we can actually see the difference. So it's verifying it's a valid credential, the credential format, the signature, the credential status is not revoked, and the credential is active. With all this in mind, this was the general overview of the verifiable contributions interface for Prisma Deeds.